front door.
How's it going this morning?
Good. Nice cool one.
Yes, it is. What's up, everybody? Today is Tuesday, and we are going to the WFX Conference. We need to get there at like 12:30, but I am meeting for lunch. And my buddy is here in Dallas, I guess. Are we in Dallas?
We're in Dallas.
What's up, man? Good, good. Is it good? So good. So I got the chorizo burger, and it's really good. You need to try this place, Stackhouse. After we finish from here, we're gonna go to the conference. So I'm gonna finish this burger, and I'll see you at the conference. All right, so next year, if you're coming to WFX, do not use that ticket printer. My buddy Brent, he just had to pay an extra $15, so that stuff's pretty bad. But we are here at WFX. We're about 30 minutes early, which is good. It's always good to be early, right, Brent?
I was waiting on you, actually.
Oh, come on, waiting on me, really?
You know, man.
Always what?
Always waiting on the video, guys.
All right, so we're gonna get our name badge, and then we're ready to go for this conference.
Here's your badge.
Thank you. Can I get a bag? Awesome.
Okay.
You have a good one.
Thank you, too.
We're all ready to go. Okay, I know this is sad. A dead bird just laying there on the windowsill. You gotta get here like an hour early. We got here 30 minutes early, and we're still like 1 minute behind. Walking in now.
Extreme dominance of the SEC. So everybody else, like Big 12 people, don't worry about it. First time for. That's incredible. Give yourselves a hand for being newbies to this thing. That's awesome. Very exciting.
I'm Nicholas. I'm with Stream Monkey, and
We are, as an organization, are not liable for any.
That's a healing ministry waiting to happen. So if some people just want to lay hands on her right now, she got hit in the face with a football. It's all Stream Monkey's fault. See you, bye.
Yeah, maybe this isn't a good idea. Cool. So
Throw out a thermos next. See what happens.
we've got a booth here. Stop by, check it out, ask us any streaming questions. Find some new friends. Come on.
Alright, so they just told us that we have to move around and find people with the same month that you were born, the same hero when you were a child, and also the same cereal that you can live off for the rest of your life. So you gotta like a certain cereal. So I'm October. I gotta find some October people. October! Anybody October? October? What's up, man? Josh, nice to meet you. Any October people? No October. You're what? May? Oh, May people. What month is this table? October. Oh, sweet. We're October. We finally found October people. Oh, we finally found the October table. The awesome people, right? All right, so it's break time here at WFX, and we are having a good time. Some really good content and speakers. Some good information to take back at our church. It's 6 o'clock now, and our sessions are done for the day, so we can leave and come back tomorrow. But instead, we're gonna go to the live sound event. How's it going?
Stick guy, how you doing? Come on in. You going to the demo?
I am going
All right,
to the
you gonna
demo.
win some prizes for your church?
I'm waiting on my buddy. I'm waiting on my buddy, and we're gonna come in there.
All right,
Starts
cool.
at 6, right?
Glad you came. Starts exactly. Yeah, you got 10 minutes.
All right, we're coming in. We're coming in. So yeah, it's all compact and portable systems. So it should be a cool live event. Right, Ray? So the demo has started. He already started the music, starting from that way. We got all the speakers, and we're just going to be listening to all of them one by one.
Let's welcome TW Audio.
All right, everybody. So we're finished with WFX for today. Brent and I are walking out, about to go.
We're gonna go check in at the hotel.
Checking out the hotel. Oh yeah, we haven't checked in yet. So we don't have a room until we actually check in. So we're gonna figure out if we're gonna sleep in the car or what. Brent almost made us come all the way to Dallas to get Smash Burger, and Smash Burger's in Houston.
Yeah. It's going for something easy and quick.
Alright, so y'all are going to be on the 9th floor. This is the Wi-Fi password. We've got 2 keys there for you.
Alright, thank you.
Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Check out this suite. We got our 2 beds there, and then you walk across into our living room, and then we walk across into our kitchen area that we probably won't use. This is pretty nice. Very nice. Good job, Brent. Good job. We're about to sign off for today. We're about to sign off. I rarely say that. I usually say I'm about to sign off. I guess it's good that we're at least by the exit. In case.
9 stories up.
Yeah, 9 stories up. We'll see you guys in the morning at WFX. See ya.